Hello participants, welcome to the course Web Development with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Today we are going to have lectures on HTML editors and my first HTML page. My name is Dr. George Owusu, Senior Lecturer at University of Ghana. The course is available on ghtutors.com. These are the lecture outline and the objectives. By the time that we finish this discussion, you should be able to identify HTML browsers, should be able to identify types of HTML editors. 3, you should be able to develop your first HTML page. Web browsers, they help us to display HTML codes. In other words, the codes that we write, they will render it and display it properly for the viewers to see. There are many types of web browsers. In the 1990s, Netscape was very popular. Netscape was popular to the extent that they came out with a script, JavaScript. The Internet Explorer was also there, very popular. In the 2000s, then Firefox actually came in. And we also have the Google Chrome, which is now the most popular web browser in Africa, in Ghana, in Nigeria, so many areas. Those on mobile websites, we used to have Opera Mini, is still there. And we have the standard Opera browsers also helping us to display HTML codes. Microsoft has come out with a better one, it's Microsoft Edge. So it's also becoming very popular. Those on iOS, iPad, iPhone, they can use Safari browsers. Those who are using Amazon Fire Kindle gadgets can use SICK. There are also other browsers such as 360 browser, CM browser, they are all there. One thing that we must know is different browsers have different ways of rendering HTML codes. So whenever you are coding, you have to take care so that your code will be able to display by popular browsers such as Firefox, Chrome, Opera, Internet Explorer, Edge, Safari, and many more. HTML editors. HTML editors help us to write HTML tags. Help us to write the tags. So we don't write the tags on the table, we write it on an editor. There are many types of editors. We have source code editors. Example is simple notepad on Microsoft Windows. We also have text edit on Mac. So for the purpose of learning HTML, you are advised to use Notepad or text edit because we are going to learn everything from scratch. There are also other browsers. Next time you have what you see is what you get editors. So Dreamweaver, very also popular. You can use it to display codes, and also you can use it to write your code. You also have what you see is what you mean. So WYM editor, and you also use that one. You also know that you can use Microsoft Word to process your HTML codes. Everywhere Apple works also. So word processors can also be used. We are going to use Notepad on Windows or text edit on Mac and online text editors such as W3 Schools editors and also CodePen. CodePen. So what are some of the steps one must follow to develop first HTML page? Step 1. On Windows, open the Notepad. On Mac, open the text edit. Step 2. Write some HTML codes. You can see below that these are some of the HTML codes. Write it in the Notepad. Okay, write this in the Notepad. Step 3. Save the document as HTML file. You save it as HTML file, not text file. It's HTML file. Step 4. Open the save HTML file in your favorite browser. We discussed so many browsers, so your favorite one, the default one. So at this stage, I want us to do it together on Windows. Go through all the steps on Windows. So I want you to follow me as I do it on Windows. So on Windows, first I will search for Notepad. Notepad, it has come. I have my Notepad here. So I open my Notepad. This Notepad, let me increase font size so that you can see what I'm doing. So first, I will try to write my first tag or HTML. It's a simple one. Then I'll push it down like this and I close this tag. So I've closed it. Apart from the HTML tag, I must also get my head. Then too, I'll come down and close the head. Head tag. The head element is there. Then you need a title tag. The title tag is within the head tag. Say my first HTML page. I'll close my title. Okay. Then I'll come here and I need my body. Body. Look at where I've positioned the body. So I come down in order not to forget. Let me close the body. Okay. I'll close the body. Once I've closed the body, I can push this one up. So it's here that I'm going to write my HTML codes. So first, it's good for me to give it heading, bigger heading. So I will say, hello, Africa. So I have to close it. Which one? It's closed. Then I'll come here. I'll say paragraph. Remember, I have to close my paragraph, so it's always easy for you to close it before you start writing. I'll put the cursor within the paragraph and say, I have started learning coding. It is not too difficult. Okay, I'll say, oh Lord Jesus, help me. So I finish with my writing. Let's make sure that we're here. Okay. Then I have to save it. So I come here, file, save as. And we want to save it in our African project folder. So I will say hello, type the name of the file, Africa, then HTML. This HTML is quite important. We can make it ATM, but you can also make it HTML. It depends on the style, but I advise that you make it HTML. Okay. Then the most important aspect is here. Change this one to all files. So the moment you change it to all files, you see our cities file, our countries file, index file. So we also saw our CSS images, scripts, and videos. Okay. So I just save it as and it's saved. Okay. The next thing is for me to go into my root folder. Go into the African folder, the project, and this is it. Hello Africa. So I have to open it in a browser. So now I'm going to open it in a Firefox. Just open like this, then you have it coming like this. Okay. So this is our first page, and we coded it in Notepad, and we have opened it also in a browser called Mozilla Firefox. And we can go back and make changes to the file. For example, I can come here and say, okay, I will not give up in learning coding. Okay, so I save it. And here, file, save. Now, not save as, but save. And I go back to my folder and I double click on this. Then you can see that I'll not give up is coming here. This was the first one. If you refresh the page, I'll not give up. Learning coding is coming here. Okay, but if I want to emphasize it, I will say, okay, I'll come here, because not give up, make it bold. Not give up, only not give up should be bold. Just save as, Control S, then I go back and refresh the page. Now not give up is, you can see that not give up is now bold. Okay. So that's it. This is the end of this lecture. Thank you very much. May the Lord Jesus Christ bless you. Bye.